Hi everyone, I'm Andreea, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean and take care of your brushes and beauty blenders. I truly think it makes a huge difference in your makeup application. Dirty brushes can make you break out, so make sure you wash your brushes at least once a week. Before we get into this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that ring bell button so you will be notified every time I'm posting a new video. One of the best things that works for me for cleaning my brushes is the silicone scrubbing glove. I got this last year, it's from Sigma, and it has changed my life. Later in the video, I'm going to show you how I use it and why I find it to be perfect for me. I'm showing you a few of my favorite cleansers, and I'm going to start with this charcoal soap from Beauty Blender. This is by far the best cleanser I've ever used for my beauty blenders and my brushes. It removes all the dirt, excess oils like magic. It comes with a silicone scrubbing pad, which you could use to deep clean all your makeup tools. Since I've got the glove, I don't really need any other accessory for my cleansing process. This is a classic soap from Beauty Blender. It's also very good. Comes with that silicone pad, much smaller than the black one, but for someone who doesn't have more than 20-25 brushes, this soap is great and it's gonna last you quite a while. Another less expensive option would be just a regular bar of soap that you can buy from the supermarket. I don't remember where I got this one, but I liked it because it was small and perfect for my makeup kit when I'm traveling. For those of you looking for a DIY solution, you can mix dishwash detergent with olive oil and you can make your own solution that can work just as good. Here's how I mix it. I put about 2 tablespoons of detergent and about a tiny bit of olive oil. The olive oil actually not only helps breaking down the oils from the products in your brushes, but it would also helps conditions your brushes. This mixture works great, so there are really no excuses for not washing your brushes. Okay, now let's get down to business. I'm taking you to my tiny little bathroom where I wash my brushes. I have my glove on and a glass of lukewarm water where I dip my brush before I actually use the soap. This way I use less water. I take a dirty brush, I wet the bristles, I take a small amount of soap, then I gently rub the brush on the glove. As you can see, there are patterns of different shapes for different size brushes to help deep clean the brushes as you work the bristles on the glove. After I gently massage it on the glove, I rinse it and then I use the side of the glove to squeeze all the water out. I'm not going to show you how I wash all of my brushes because I have a lot of them that needs to be washed, but here's an example of a bigger brush. I do the same steps. The only difference is that I use a different pattern from the glove. With some brushes, usually those that I use for creams, foundations, or lipstick, I might need to do this process 2 or even 3 times just until the brush is completely clean. This is one of the reasons why I mostly have brushes with white bristles. I like to be able to see when they are completely clean, plus it also gives my clients a sense of comfort to see that I'm using a clean brush on them for the first time. I have a lot of blending brushes and I just can't wash them one by one because it would take me forever. So I take about 4 or 5 of them and I wash them all in the same time using the same technique. Now here's how I wash my beauty blenders. I currently only have black beauty blenders, so hope you can still see how dirty this is. I literally wash my beauty blender right before I use it. I dip it into the water, then I take a lot of that soap and I just massage it and squeeze the dirt out of the sponge. You do not want to use your nails because you might end up ruining it. So be gentle and squeeze the dirt from the inside out, if that makes sense. With brushes, things are easier, but with beauty blenders, the more you wait to wash it, the harder it will be to get the dirt out. So you might have to repeat the process a few times until your beauty blender looks nice and clean again. Washing the brushes is just the first step. The second step is squeezing the water out of the bristles with a towel or a paper towel. You do not want to pull the bristles because you can damage the brush. You just want to press the towel against the bristles so you take all of the excess water. This way your brushes will dry much quicker. Step 3 is to disinfect the handle. I use alcohol and a paper towel and I make sure all the handles of the brushes are nice and clean. A lot of that bacteria are sitting on the handles as well, so you don't want to skip this process. Next step is totally optional, but ever since I've discovered these, I use them all the time. They are called the Brush Guard, and I first saw them in LA at IMATS. They're amazing if you want to keep your brushes in great condition. I feel like all brushes change their shape after a few washes, so these slips are protecting and helping the bristles remain in the same shape. I love these and I'm so glad that I got them. If you invest in good brushes, would be a pity not to have these. They come in different sizes, so you can use them for your big powder brushes and also for your blending brushes. I let my brushes dry overnight and then nothing compares with the feeling of using clean brushes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and let me know in the comments, what do you use to clean your brushes? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!